Internet na kunai asigi chawkhat lamjel da piba kanaba amadi mangjaba singi matang da numit nini chathagadaba international seminar ama Manipur University da ngasidagi haukhre seminar adu Manipur University ki Department of Political Science Council for Social and Digital Development Guwahati amasung Northeast Development Foundation Guwahati na sinduna Northeastern Social Resource Center amasung National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NELIT ki matenga loina na University asigi Vichy Court Hall da pangthokpani Digital Diversity, Democracy and Development Exploring the Internet's Impact on Conflict, Dynamic Peace Building, Democracy and Regional Development in Northeast India haiba thim asida akhang ahaising na wangangki seminar hawdokpagi thoram da saruk yakhiba MU gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendrana online da kanglop amaga nungsinada nabagi wafam kaya thagatpana khunai adubu irang thokhanabagi achauba machak ama oi tangdu laita draba fivam lakpa matamda government na public order ngak Nabagi damag internet matam sang na tingjinduna thamba matamda su miyoibagi punchi mahing amati hiram kayata chawna akaiba ama khudong chadaba thohali miyamna internet sizinaba matamda ishagi thaudang masak khangna sizinaba mathautai haina phongdokhi thauramadu da professor intellectual resource scholar amadi mahiroi kayana saruk yakhi.
The internet, although a very powerful tool for communication and development, has of late become a battleground of misinformation, hate speech and polarization in this region, particularly Manipur. This seminar, while recognizing the need to understand and address the internet fuel conflicts, proposes to examine some of the crucial potentialities of digital technologies to build bridges between communities, promote dialogue and foster a culture of peace and inclusive development.